ka-techies and mga hindi ka-techies. It's your girl, Casey, and welcome to our vlog. Pag-usapan natin kung ano nga bang klaseng tech user ka. Are you the type of sobrang updated like me, or ikaw yung tipo na, anak, paano ko i-download? Kind of vibe. Grabe, legit ako yun! So today we're gonna talk about the 4 types of tech users. Maybe isa ka dito or maybe all at once.
Guys, bakit may 2-factor authentication pa? Nakakaloka. Gusto ko lang naman magbayad ng bills. Like, legit, do I need a PhD for this? Ako yung type na every time na may bagong update sa app, nawawala yung buttons. Last time, I accidentally posted a half-face selfie sa Google Classroom. Kung cringe. Honestly, gusto kong matuto. Pero please lang, huwag akong i-fast forward. One instruction at a time. Please. Yung tita ko, she asked for help booking a Grab. Tapos, nung nakita niya may driver na, nagpanik siya. Baka iba yung sundiin sa akin. Ayun, cancel agad.
Sabi sa technology acceptance model, people adopt tech if they find it useful and easy. Sa ganitong sitwasyon, useful nga. Pero parang may big step tutorial required.
So, I'm not an anti-tech, okay? I just don't want my phone controlling my life. I keep it simple. Chat, notes, calendar, that's it. And why would I need 13 photo editing apps? Hindi naman ako influencer. For me, tech is just a tool. Gagamitin ko siya when I need to. Pero if di naman urgent, girl, I'm off the grid.
May kakilala ko and she deleted TikTok before finals. And guess what? Her mental health improved. Grabe, sobrang inspiring. This is called Digital Minimalism from Carl Newport, 2019. Gamitin mo lang yung tech that adds value. The rest, charot lang.
I know I sound old school, but like, I prefer the unplugged life. I don't even use online banking. Never pa ako nag-Twitter. And yes, buhay pa ako. People say I'm missing out, but I think they are. They're so online, they forget to breathe. It's not that I can't use tech. I just choose not to. And if that makes me boring, then boring is the new cool. I had a prof na ayaw ng online solutions. Papel lang daw. I get it now. Less stress, more presence.
Sabi ni Bandejek ng 2006, may digital divide. Hindi dahil walang access, kundi dahil minsan ayaw talaga ng tao. And that's fun. Boundaries, besties.
I'm the type of updates apps before the changelog even drops. Tech is my love language for real. For me, tech is chef's kiss. It saves me time, boosts my productivity, and low-key helps me feel like I have my life together kahit hindi naman. Tech doesn't scare me. I low-key live for it. Pero if may need kayo na tech support, DM me, wag lang 3 AM please.
My brother, he uses ChatGPT to fix Excel formulas. Ako, I use it for captions, thesis ideas, even to plan our next sem break trip. Gee!
Mandul said, mataas ang self-confidence mo, meaning, confident ka na sa sarili mong skill. Mas likely kang itry ang new stuff, add mo pa yung perceived usefulness, ayun na, certified ear adapter ka.
So, ayan na. 4 types of tech users. Which one are you? Or baka mix ka ng dalawa?
I'm reluctant adults. With means of tech-induced breakdown syndrome.
I'm still team minimalist. Low-key lang per functioning. Me, living my best offline. As always. And that's okay. Tech is a tool, not a personality. Gamitin mo how it works for you. No pressure to people.
Comment below kung anong tech ka.
Like, share, and tag your tropa na super techy or super tita. Thanks for watching today. See you next time.